Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for trusted reviews on parenting essentials. Today, we're diving into what is truly the best rotating 360-degree infant car seat on the market. The Safety First Turn and Go Rotating 360 Street Car Seat. From newborns to toddlers and beyond, this seat is designed to simplify your life and maximize your child's safety. Let's start with what makes this car seat a game-changer: the full 360-degree rotation. Thanks to Safety One Street's proprietary safety swivel technology, buckling in your little one becomes effortless. No more twisting your back or struggling in tight spaces. You simply rotate the seat to face you, secure your child, and swivel it back into position. It's smooth, quick, and incredibly convenient. Now let's talk installation. The Turn and Go 360 Street is equipped with Secure Tech, a smart feature that takes the guesswork out of getting a tight fit. Visual red to green indicators on the base show you when the seat belt tension is just right. That means you can drive with peace of mind, knowing your installation is spot on every time. This seat isn't just smart, it's strong and built to meet or exceed all federal safety standards. It's National Highway Traffic Safety Administration compliant and JPMA certified. The build quality feels premium, the materials are durable, and the Skyline color option gives it a sleek, modern look that blends well with most car interiors. One of the standout features here is versatility. The Safety First Turn and Go supports 3 modes: rear-facing for infants, forward-facing for toddlers, and a belt positioning booster for older kids. What's even more impressive is that the base only needs to be installed once, no matter which mode you're using. That means no more reinstalling or second-guessing as your child grows. Just adjust the seat settings and you're ready to go. Another thoughtful touch is the built-in belt lock-off arm. It helps secure the seat quickly and tightly without relying solely on your vehicle's latch system. Combined with the seat's one-time installation base, it makes everyday use so much simpler. This seat is perfect for parents who are always on the go and need convenience without compromising safety. Whether it's daycare drop-offs, road trips, or everyday errands, the Turn and Go 360 Street makes parenting just a bit easier. So there you have it. If you're looking for a car seat that's smart, safe, stylish, and, above all, incredibly easy to use, the Safety First Turn and Go Rotating 360 Street is a must-have. It's a long-term investment that grows with your child, saves your back, and gives you peace of mind with every drive. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more trusted reviews coming your way.